of Game vs Phone channel. Today I am going to show you how to install bin files to your Haylou Solar LS0 watch. Today nowadays in amazfit watchfaces site they gave their custom watch faces to Haylou Solar LS05. Today I am going to show you how to install them. First you want to do these steps. First go to your Haylou app and connect your watch with Haylou app and go to devices, then dial settings, and then you want to select any dial from this. I am going to select this dial and sync that dial to your watch and wait a while. And in 2nd of March in amazfit watchfaces site they gave Haylou Solar watchfaces section that from that you can download any custom watchfaces from that site, but that site gave us the .bin files, and now I am going to tell you how to install that files. And first step, you want to open and connect your Haylou Solar watch to your smartphone, and then open that and go to dial settings and dial center and select any of these normal dials from your phone and sync that dial to your watch. And we are now in that first step and waiting for dial syncing. These steps are in my dial section. You can see that our new dial, and then don't close it and go to your browser and search amazfit watch faces, and you can click on that site and the link in description also. Then select Haylou Solar LS05. This is it, and select that, close that. Then you can easily download by tapping of any these watch faces. I'm going to select, yes, I'm going to select this. This is casual look watch faces, and download it from simple click and download it. Yes, download, and file is downloaded to your download folder. Then you want to go to your file browser in your phone. Open the file browser, go to downloads section and copy that downloaded watch faces from amazfit site or the social media, anywhere, the bin file, copy it, and then go to your internal storage, Android, data, then com.yc.haylou, and then file and copy to that. That's copying. Yes, it copied. Again I'm showed you that part, internal storage, Android, data, and com.yc.haylou files, and you can show now that HS Casio watch. Then you want to know, go to your Haylou Fit app, and you want to know that the Chinese letters, and just remember that. Then again come back to this. Yes, this is the Chinese letters. Then you want to simply click and go to rename section, then copy that name and then cancel and delete that normal watch face to your new watch faces that you copied from download, and rename it and give the name that you copied. Then simply click OK. Yes. Then go to Haylou Fit app. Again sync that dial. Yes, dial is syncing. Wait a while. This is cool steps, and from that cool steps you can install any bin files from amazfit watch faces site, or from social media, that from group or from your friends or anywhere. If you have .bin files to your Haylou Solar LS05 watch, you can install any bin files from this method. I'm say you again about that steps. First download the bin file, then go to download, and then copy that bin file to your internal storage, Android data, and com.yc.haylou file, and copy it. Then sync any dial from dial center, and remember that Chinese letters that you sync the dial, and then click on that Chinese letters file in Android data, com.yc.haylou, and copy that Chinese letters and delete that file. And then again you want to rename that your new bin file as that Chinese letters, and then we are now syncing. If you have any problem, put a comment below the comment section below, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe and click on. You're showing that now dial is syncing. Then wait a while. As I think from this you can. Yes, that dial synced. This is a cool dial, as I think. You can easily download and follow these steps and download bin files from any of these sites or from social media, and you can install your bin file to your Haylou Solar watch. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comment or any idea about this or any trouble, put a comment on comment section below, and subscribe us and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.